Hi everybody, Grandmafottz here. Guess where I am? I found a real nice secluded spot to watch the fireworks on July 4th, 2009, and I want to take you in and let you enjoy them too. Let me show you what I brought. Brought my jug of water. I brought a blankie in case it gets cold out for little old Grandmafottz. I even brought a makeshift flashlight. You wind it up, see? I think I got this in a cereal box or something sometime back. And Grandmafottz brought some popcorn to enjoy watching the fireworks. You enjoy them too. I get emotional when the 4th of July comes. I love the fireworks. I just go absolutely crazy. It's getting dark. They should be starting any minute. Holy